seeing any kind of anything up there except animals. That'd be good. 2008, Year of the Bear. I think tomorrow I'm gonna just do mostly glass blowing, and it may be a little overcast tomorrow with a slight bit of cloud cover, so I may go ride the horse a little bit. It's been triple digits throughout all summer. You know, just the cool thing is there hasn't been really any humidity with it. So, yeah, and I mean What's that?
Doodles.
Yeah, we keep the AC on constantly in the house.
Doodles.
Yeah, I think we have it around 78 maybe. It's funny because like
Who's a
I
pretty
spend
girl?
so much time working outside in this shit, and I don't have an air conditioner in my truck that I'm just acclimated to it. So I can go out there and do my thing. And I know it's hot, but
Doodles.
it doesn't really fuck me up. But like when
Come
I
here,
come
Doodles.
inside in the like air conditioned temperatures, it's like fucking
Sit.
bracing, dude. It feels so cold. It feels like it's like. It's
What do you
fucking winter in
say?
here. It's.
Oh.
Yeah, it's fucking wild.
Yeah.
I'm about as dark as a Mexican.
What do you
now.
say,
It's fucking
Doodles?
funny,
Oh, what do you want?
You know, I don't, but my arms and my neck are really.
Do you want some of this? Don't tell your daddy.
Yeah.
Is that what you want? Tell me. Show me. What do you say? Oh, yeah. Doodles.
Yes, sir.
Up, up, up. Oh, yeah. Good girl.
Yeah. No, I've never seen that, honestly. Ghost Hunters International. Is it like true stories or something? Or, yeah? Well, I guess they just, they don't only have ghosts in America, huh?